Hey guys, it's me, NB here again, and today we're going to be talking about the F40. JK, this horribly, I just recently saw this. The F40 here, the EFDP 40, is massive. It's a beautiful engine, but the cars are on the wrong size. Oh, what's this? Don't know what that was. Oh, Hornwood. Yeah, I would rather have none of that at all. Thank you. What I would actually like for this to have is a lot of things. One, better cars. Those cars are the size of Mark's cars in this picture. Two, a better cameraman who knows what to take pictures of. Yeah, fast track, that's always annoying me. I hate fast track. It's always so hard to put together. Just look at it. Light, no, it doesn't always work. Real sound, well, that's pretty good. But if you look back at the second passenger car, that doesn't look right. It looks like they had the layout there, but all the track looks too perfect to be realistic. One thing I'm saying is if you look here, let me zoom in. Nope. I'm gonna give this a 0 out of 10 because it won't let me zoom in. Then we're gonna go down to the Amtrak Fleet Train. This one's a nice set. My words, it's beautiful, but let's go down to locomotives only. Alright, we're gonna look at these F40 P8s. Beautiful thing. P8s too. Alright. Not giving me a real picture, maybe it's just like a photograph. Oh, or maybe it didn't even come out yet. Or they discontinued them, like Lionel usually does. Just because they discontinue stuff when it's good. Look at this. Got F40 P8. I don't know why they came out with this, but okay. It's nice. One reason I'm pointing it out is... Can I use it? No, I can't use it. Can I? Let's see if I can use all the functions here. Nope. Is that they use the pointless arrow marks. Every car and every engine has the pointless arrow instead of Acela, the mixture of Acela and acceleration. If you want to learn more about Amtrak's rolling stock, my suggestion for you guys to do is watch Amtrak 365. He'll tell you most of the history of Amtrak's outdated stock and modern stock too. These engines were painted, in his words, for promotional reasons. And then you get down to this one. This car would be the... Oh, I lost it. This car will be the only car I'm interested in. Reason, it's a car. Second reason, it's at $84. I could buy the Knoebel Stream for that price. I don't have that kind of money. And number three, you're overpricing your things. This car here is too bulky. Too modern, I meant. This car is perfect age for my Lionel layout. So you got whatever to this F40s. Okay. Alright. Looks like they got all the other units. So this is how they also have them. I don't understand it either. So deal with it. Alright. Looks like we're out. Morning, guys, from Motion Blur. I have no clue what I'm doing, but I decided just to look it up, and what did I find? CP Rail. Where does this take me? Oh, Coca-Cola. What does this take me? Major Baseball Leagues. Alright, okay, everyone. Our goal is to find... you got Phillies. They own the pigs, but I want the Iron Pigs. I want to have a DCC-controlled Iron Pigs train. Reason I want that is I'm in Pennsylvania. I like Allentown. I live in Pennsylvania. I want the Iron Pigs, not Philadelphia. Boo, I hate them. Philadelphia stinks. Let's go, pigs. So, I don't understand. What this one? Uh-huh. Oh, Frosty the Snowman is a big jolly guy. I forgot to saw something up. Be quiet. You see, you got Batman. This train was formerly used as a futuristic whatever. I don't know why this is popping under Batman, but okay. Snoopy. Oh my god. So, seems like they have 25 of these. You got the bat signal, but then you're out. Okay. Okay. I guess that's it. Shell. Okay, you got shell. I don't know why Mega Track is popping under shell. Okay. I don't know why Lionel put that there, but okay. I guess that's shell. Moon pie is not my cup of tea, though. But it exists, I guess. It's not the nicest thing. What does Walt Disney have? Because when you wish upon a fart, when you wish upon a fart, Disney will sue you if you wish upon a star. Alright, guys, I came here for one reason, and one reason, and one reason. Guys, let's see what they have for... Wait, what? Cola? Limited edition vending machine. What? What the heck? Why? A working vending machine on Lionel's website. I don't want to buy vending machines. I came here for CP Rail. Change Canada's. CP Rail. CP Rail. CP Rail. This train here popped in a book that I was reading. That's a truck. That's also a truck. This here's a truck. This one's a EMD F40. Who wants to look at Amtrak? America's Railroad! I might be buying the station. This thing looks cool if it's RC controlled. Look how awesome this would be if I bought this awesome! Now, live this actually works. I would get this. Why? This guy is giving up on hope. And then you got Oddly Beautiful Locomotive. This one is the one I'm interested in. We have sitting people. Sitting in Amtrak. Ugly. With a pointless arrow. Don't know why their pointless arrow's not there. Where's the pointless arrow? I came here to see the pointless arrow. No pointless arrow. Oh, look, we got the Pepsi can. Pepsi can! Pepsi Man! Okay, Lionel, who cares? Who cares? Who cares? I only came here for one simple reason, that I was here. Look at this. All the things they have right to use. Onion Pacific. Disney. Thomas. Smonian. Peanuts. Polar Express. But a man trick. More news. 1 to 1. Alright, I'm just gonna go to the beginning. Beginning of time. It starts here. G scale, O scale, S gauge, HO, shop. But this is, what's your best scale for you? This is technically O scale. I am not kidding. I'll show you in another video tomorrow. This here is ready to play. Now, what I find scandalous is ready to play and G scale not even close. Ready to play is more like G scale, and G scale is too skinny. The ready to play and G scale come very similar. The G scale does not come with a remote for a lot of their engines. Where ready to play does not come with a remote. G scale does. That's the bad part. When I got my Polar Express, I found out it was not able to run on G scale, but it was running able to run on other tracks. That's the Polar Express. Also, these large scale locomotives are made out of cheap plastic, and the piston rods break easy. So that's a downside. Then we got HO before Lionel. Are they making their trains look? Oh, Mr. For scales. Usually older people, because their eyesights, don't want to work with small parts, Lionel. So they might want to work more with this, but you don't give them an option so they can convert engines themselves. So that gets out. Okay. Then we got S gauge, or American Flyer. And over here we got Lionel, American Flyer, S gauge, unless that was HO. Oh. Then why didn't you... It would have been better if you picked the same gosh darn engine. Got Pennsylvania, okay. Coca-Cola, okay, I guess that, and the Polar Express, where the engine here is not even on the track properly. That's sort of annoying me. And then you got this thing where again it's not on the track. Look at this thing. Perfect, except the last car. No one's gonna notice that. Well, bye. I won't be able to upload this.